Here we have a very nice view. We are in the Lake of Garda. We're going to fly the DJI Mavic Mini 3 and test out its capabilities in these very, very nice surroundings. We are actually in the Pineta because we don't want to disturb the people who are taking a bath. I mean, let them enjoy the place. And interesting thing, we're going to try out the zoom function, because this drone actually has a zoom, 2x zoom, digital zoom, which means we don't need to fly on top of what we want to see. We can actually just fly nearby and then zoom in. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you would like to see more, and I will see you in the next one.
This ride wasn't made for